Good morning, children. Welcome back to AVS class. Children, take out AVS textbook. Today we are going to do a new lesson. That is lesson number 19, Festival and Fairs. So in this lesson, we will see about festival and fairs. Which festival are celebrated in our country and which festival are which are the important festival for us. Recognize the spirit of cooperation among the people participating in the local festival, function and fairs. So children, in India, there are three types of festival, that is religious festival, harvest festival and national festival. So in this lesson, we will study about the religious festival. So children, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whoever it may be, they celebrate different kinds of festival. Hindus, they celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, Deepavali, Holi, etc. Muslims celebrate Eid, Ramzan, etc. Christians celebrate Christmas, their feast and all. Isn't it? Yes. They, in each and every caste, every religion, there is different types of festival, different kinds of festival. So see here, I am Ramesh. He is Ramesh. Deepavali is an important festival for us. So Hindus celebrate Deepavali. It is an important festival for them. It is the festival of light. We celebrate the festival for 3 days. First day in Naraka Chaturdashi. Second day is Go Puja, that is worshipping of cows, and Lakshmi Puja, worshipping of goddess of wealth. Third day is Balipademi. So children, first day is Naraka Chaturthi. Naraka Chaturthi means the first day they bath, they get oil bath, and they get early in the morning they get oil bath, they come fresh up and they wear new clothes and make variety of sweets and distribute sweets on that day. So next second day, go puja. So worshipping of cows. The animals are being worshipped. The cows are being worshipped on that day. And on the same day, it is Lakshmi Puja also. The goddess of wealth and beauty is being worshipped. And third day is Balipadyan. So next children, during these 3 days, we light lamps, eat sweets and share with neighbors, enjoy fireworks and crackers. We enjoy the festival very much. So children, here you can see in the picture, they are lighting the lamps, bursting the crackers and all. Isn't it children? Yes. So the festival itself is an enjoyment. Next children, I am Nagina. Ramzan is an important festival for us. In the month of Ramzan, we fast during the day and on the last day, we celebrate the festival. We prepare special dishes and sweets on that day. Friends and neighbors greet each other. We eat sweets and share with neighbors. So children, here for the Muslims, the Ramzan is a very important festival. So the whole month is being fasted. They fast the whole month, and the Ramzan is the last day for the month for before Eid. So they fast on the early morning, from the early morning till the sun sets in the evening. So the last day of that month is being celebrated as Ramzan. They prepare variety of sweets, share with their neighbors, they pray, go to the mosque and pray. So go for next page children. I am Robin. Christmas is an important festival for us. On this festival we decorate the Christmas tree and hang gifts on it. Friends and relatives visit our home on this day. We greet each other and enjoy the festival. So children, here Christmas is the main festival for the Christians. So it is a big festival for them. So they celebrate. It is the day which the Jesus took birth. So they greet it very well. They enjoy the festival by greeting the others, the friends and relatives, making more sweets and all. And on that day, Santa Claus is being come and he gives the gifts for the childrens. Ramesh, Nagina and Robin have described the festivals they celebrate at their homes. So children, which festival do you celebrate in your home? So you have to write which festival you celebrate. Dasera, Holi, Navaratri, Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi. So many festivals you may have celebrate at home. So write those festivals name, children. Next question. How do you decorate the house during festival? How do you help your elders during these days? So children, we decorate the house with lamps and lightings and how do we help children? By giving the things we help our elders. So by helping them in the decoration of the house or preparation of the sweets or anything, cleaning of the house, isn't it children? Yes. Write 4 lines about an important festival celebrated in your home. So which is the important festival? That is main festival we celebrate is Deepavali. So it is the important festival, an important festival celebrated in the home. What we do in that children, how we celebrate it? We decorate the house with lamps and lightings. We wear new clothes and we prepare different types of sweets and food. Isn't it children? Yes. So next page children. So here make a list of special entertainment program which are held on the festival. Who perform this program? Where do they perform? Write in the table given below. So children, wrestling. So here there is program, who, where. So you have to write whatever program they celebrate in your locality, whatever. Wrestling, that is who does that? The local peoples maybe. Where it is done in the village. So folk dance, so dancers do that. Allotted places wherever it may be temple or the ground or anything. Rangoli competition, art academy, so anyone in the interested, and it is mostly it has been held in the temple. Sheep fighting, bicycle race and all. These are children the programs which are allotted when we have fairs and all. Okay children, now next, who visit your home on the festival days? So who visit children? Friends and relatives visit our homes at that day. Isn't it children? Yes. What are the different dishes prepared on the festival day in your home? Which are the special dishes, children? You all might be knowing it, isn't it? So write some special dishes. So some special dishes like palav, so kheer, jamun, laddus, etc. Isn't it, children? Yes. What is your favorite dish? Why? Tell it to your friend. So you have to write here which is your favorite dish. So festival bring family members, relatives, friends and neighbors together. So remember children, when we celebrate the festival, it brings the family members, the relatives, friends and neighbors also together, and we celebrate the festival. Okay children? Yes. You told about the festival celebration in your home. Write the names of the festival where all the people of your place or locality gather together to celebrate. So it is one is fair and others you all have to write it children. So at the fair also everyone gathered together. So this is about the fair. So this is not so important. Let me go for the next page. Here is a situation of the fair. Identify the activities going on here and write in the given space. So say who are doing these activities. So children, you all have visited the fair. Isn't it children? Yes. So fair means jatra. So this is the picture. Here they have given some space. So write in that space what are they doing here. So next children, all the people of the place, locality gather together and celebrate some festival. Fairs are also community festivals, and fair is also called Utsav or Urus. All the people work collectively in these festival and enjoy. So festival is celebrated, fairs is celebrated. It is celebrated to make the people together and enjoy and be happy. So next children, sing this. There is a song. I went to fair, to our village fair. All my friends assembled there. We enjoyed together with wonderful sight. Sweets and entertainment have made me fair. So here, I went to fair. What did you bring? I brought pairs of scissors. I went to fair. What did you bring? I brought a bell. I went to fair. What did you bring? I brought a bicycle. I went to a fair. What did you bring? I brought a necklace. I went to a fair. What did you bring? I brought a belt. So, this is a small skit children that you have to enact in the school. So now we don't have school, so we can't do it. So children, here you have to remember that festival is a situation where all the family members, friends, everyone are gathered and enjoy the days, enjoy the festival. So children, I hope so you have understood the lesson. So take care. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you children. Bye children.